Hello guys, welcome to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video I will walk you through on how to factory reset your ZTE Fanfare model number Z792 from Cricket Wireless. What you'll need to do to factory reset this device, you will need to use the volume up key and you want to use the power key as well. So you're going to want to press these two buttons at the same time. You want to keep holding until the phone lights up, then you want to release the power key. Keep holding the volume up key until the recovery screen come up. When you get to the screen, you want to use the volume down key to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Then you want to press the power key to confirm. Then you want to scroll all the way down where it says yes, delete all user data. Then you want to press the power key again. Once it's done wiping the data and formatting the device, you want to do also the wipe cache partition. So you want to scroll down to that. Then you want to press the power key. Once that is done, you can either reboot your phone or shut it off. This concludes our tutorial for today. If you found it helpful to you, please make sure to like and subscribe my channel for more. And thank you guys for watching.